Class 5th. Today you will study English grammar, Collins English grammar and composition. It's lesson number 14. Simple past and past continuous tenses. You see this box and some clues are given at the right hand side, like having milk and biscuits, sitting inside my classroom, finished my lunch, getting ready to go to school, fell asleep, had dinner. At 8 a.m. I was getting ready to go to school. At 10 a.m. I was sitting inside my classroom. At 2 p.m. I finished my lunch. At 4 p.m. I was having milk and biscuits. At 8 p.m. I had dinner. At 10 p.m. I fell asleep. So sentences which you have completed show actions that appeared in the past. In these, the whatever actions you have completed in the past, it's shown here. Now the past form of the verb is used for actions that happened before the time of speaking. Means when we are speaking, whatever actions have been performed before that is a past form of verb. So simple past tense. They played a prank on Minu last week. So last week you can see it here. Last week. Played. My grandfather drank 2 cups of tea every day. So he drank. He's not drinking. He drank. So it's a past tense. In the first sentence, the verb played refers to an action that happened in the past. In the second sentence, the verb drank shows an action that used to happen regularly in the past. Means his grandfather had been drinking 2 cups of tea every day. So both the verbs played and drank are in the simple past tense. So this simple past tense refers to an action that was completed in the past or was a past habit also. It's not that only whatever has been completed in the past, but it's showing a past habit also. So we use expressions of time like yesterday, last week, last month with the simple past tense. To refer to a past habit, we use words like usually, generally, everyday, always, often and sometimes. Now you can see the exercise. Fill in the blanks with the simple past tense of the given verbs. Send, narrate, speak, go, see, gather, be, like. So you have to use these words. And you have to use them in the simple past tense. He spoke. Speak change into spoke to the officer about his complaint. I sent flowers to my friend. The poet saw thousands of daffodils in the valley. Pooja liked collecting stamps as a child. The lights went off during the storm. The animals gathered around the stream to drink water. The weather was very pleasant yesterday. My grandmother narrated a detective story to me. So these verbs are in the simple past tense. See here, spoke, sent, saw, liked, went, gathered, was and narrated. Now past continuous tense. Bablu was cycling all morning yesterday. So yesterday you see it's past tense. But was cycling. I was playing with my friends. Was playing. So the verb was cycling and was playing describe actions that happened for some time in the past. The past continuous tense describe actions that continued for some time in the past. We use was /were plus ing form of the verb to form the past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is also used to show that an action was continuing for some time when a second action happened. The second action is used in the simple past tense. They were playing a prank on Minu when the teacher caught them. So is used to show an action that was continuing for some time when a second action happened. So one was going on. They were playing. So they were playing was going on. When the teacher caught. So second action is caught holding them and they were playing was the first action. So you see. Were playing is used when an action is continuing and other action happened. Second action. They were already swimming. So this is the first action. when I reach the pool, second action. So when two actions are there and one is already being done in the past for some time and the second also happened, so past continuous tense is used. Reached. Past continuous tense, were already swimming, were and swimming. Now fill in the blanks with the past continuous form of the verb. I, with for sleep, what we will write, was sleeping in the afternoon. We were going to the restaurant for lunch when you called. My mother was asking me to complete my homework when the lights went off. I was watering the plants in our garden. Krishna was playing with his friends in the evening. The two brothers were fighting with each other. Akash was walking home when he saw a man wearing strange clothes standing on the road. Seema and Radha were speaking to the audience about pollution. So, you see, was walking, were speaking, were fighting, was playing, was watering, was asking. So, these are the past continuous form of the given verbs.